I'm going to open and install this Britax Advocate ClickTight with Safe Wash car seat in a brand new Civic. I got this to replace a Uppababy KNOX car seat because I couldn't get that thing tight no matter what I did. I yanked on it as hard as I could. I tried to get on one side, tried to get on the other, pulled, used my legs. No matter what I did, put a towel under it, I feel like it would always be a little bit wiggly. Is that right or wrong? Feels pretty wrong to me. And I posted about that on Instagram at Yuri Tereshyn, and everybody said, not everybody, but a good amount of people said, get a Britax with, or Britax with ClickTight, because that way you can string it through, and when you push the seat down, that tightens it and it doesn't move. So let's open this up and toss it in a Civic, and we'll see how much easier it is than that Uppababy KNOX. And this was like $5.50 Canadian with a 15% discount at Snugglebugs because it was a year old or something for the expiry. Have to get the Safe Wash fabric for it, obviously. Okay, I don't know what this bar is. And it comes with Canadian instructions, so let's see what this is all about. So here's the ClickTight mechanism. I think we push this and twist that up. So when we loop the belt through, we push down and that adds tension. It makes it super tight. And then I had to add this anti-roll bar for rear facing, and you just kind of insert that, and then this ClickTight should lock it into place. All right, I'll start things off by showing the other one, the Uppababy KNOX, and this is how much play I can get out of it. And I swear I had it like cranked as tight as I could, and this is locked in. I tried for like 3 hours with this thing. And that's enough for me. Now let's get the instructions out and figure this one out. All right, rear facing shoulder strap because we want to be able to take more weight. So we recline it and then we open it up. We put the belt right through. Make sure it's locked. There's no twists. Remove the slack and click down and it should be in there. So first thing we do is open the ClickTight. And then I guess we angle it. Okay, so first thing I guess is reclining it. There we go. Reclined. And this will lock in once we're good. So rear facing is the purple area. That looks like it's in the rear facing angle. Let's just give it a shot and see if it tightens up. Yeah, I know I should put it on the other side, but it's just a quick test. Okay, so let's, with no holes or no overlap or twists, again with no twists, slot it through here. All right, that's locked in. Let's get all the slack out of this. Make sure this anti-roll bar is still in. Okay, so there's no slack. Let's crank this. And then I guess let's slap this down. And I feel like that's ClickTighted in, so let's give it a wiggle. And we've got like no movement and it feels like it's totally in there first try. And if I try to lift it, nothing. Holy crap, Britax, you guys killed it. 10 out of 10, this is amazing. Oh. And then I'll pull back, and then I'll angle it all the way forward again. There we go, I think that's the technique. You pull back, then you angle forward. And then you pull back, and then you push that forward. You pull back, and you push that forward. Holy crap, I think that's actually working. And you pull back, and you push that forward. I don't know how much more forward I have left in me. Probably need to do at least one more. What the was that? No, that's loose as shit. And to put a baby in here, look how much opening I have compared to, not baby, like a 1-year-old. To this side, which is much tighter. Like I gotta fit a baby between this. Nice. Well, there you have it. Wish me luck on returning that. And shout out Britax. Shout out Joey for recommending this. Look how stable that is right away. That's crazy. All right, so my final thoughts on this car seat is that it's so easy to use, so much easier than that Uppababy, which was just actually so ridiculously difficult that I don't even know how it's in production. And even if you can get it tight somehow with 2 people, if you have to switch it alone, that would seem sketchy. Everything about this seat is great. The baby fits in it wonderfully and did not complain while I drove her around. And as you guys can see right now, I'm going to first try and install this in the back of my GTI, and everything will be good. So let me know what you thought of this. If you like these videos, if you like car stuff, I have a car review channel called Straight Pipes, where we review new cars, fast cars, slow cars, family cars, every cars. And yeah, I also do lawn stuff and action figure stuff and collectible card stuff. So subscribe to my channel if you like any of that stuff. And it's installed. Britax, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Look at that. Amazing.